silver one pops more, right? So I'm just having a look at the Balenciaga Collab Mammon bags. This gold one is very similar to the Dionysus gold. Gosh, I love this one. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Isabel and we're in the city again today shopping. So I have found a little void in my collection. I really don't have a very nice evening bag, so I'm gonna go and have a look at Bulgari, Gucci, Dior, maybe Jimmy Choo as well. So yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully I can find a really nice evening bag, and I'll see what else is out there. So let's get going. All the Christmas lights. It's a pretty rainy day today. Just gonna head into Gucci. Look, they've got the Balenciaga collab. So everything is logo central. We have the Balenciaga City Bag with the Gucci Gigi monogram and the Dionysus bag with Balenciaga plastered over it. There's a floral city bag. So I'm just having a look at the Balenciaga Collab Mammon bags in the white and the black as well. It's kind of really cool with the anti-gold hardware. So just really love how clean this white one looks. And I do also like how pliable and easy this bag is. It kind of gives the Mammon another life. And there's the black one. It actually looks really fun for a black bag. So if you're looking for a black bag that is not the typical boring one, I think this is a really good choice. And it's quite roomy in there. What colors do you have in the mini Dionysus?
Super mini at the moment.
Oh, super mini.
Let me. Well, you come also with.
So I think you have a silver one as well. This gold one is so beautiful and full on. I love how shimmery it is. And the silver one is just as nice. So trying on the gold first. I love the contrast between the gold and the antique silver hardware and chain. I feel like it'll go both with the, silver jewelry as well as gold jewelry because of the jewel tone there. So beautiful.
Crystal sparkle on the silver.
Yeah, the silver one pops more, right?
And I think it'll be easier to match as well.
It's like a white, it's like a neutral. Whereas the gold is like yellow. The red is nice and Christmassy. Are the gemstones all different colors between?
With these ones, no, they should be the
They should be the
same.
same. It's like
They
a
have
yeah.
Yeah, they're the
Very
same.
nice.
Maybe it's just the gold that gives it another effect.
Now, of course, I have to check out the new Mammon bags with the silver hardware. This grey one is really, really chic. And I just love how they got rid of like the heart at the back of the bag. I always felt like the heart at the back of the Mammon bags were a little bit juvenile, so love how chic they made it look. And now I'm wearing it long on the single strap and it hits me really well around the hip bone. How modern does this look? I really, really like it. And I also tried on the beige one. This one is like a warm neutral. I think I prefer the grey one, but I do also like the contrast between the warm beige and the antique silver chain. Gonna go into Bulgari and check out the Serpentine bags. I've been wanting to check them out forever, so I'm excited.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah.
So Bulgari also has these super mini bags. How festive do these look as well? This gold one is very similar to the Dionysus gold, and inside it is in 2 compartments. So I'm trying it, it looks larger than it actually is, but the capacity is very similar to the Gucci Super Mini Dionysus, but because of the construction it looks a little larger. This is the larger version of the same line bag, and in the blush color. The same gold one does come in this size as well. This is a more shoulder bag size and you can definitely fit a lot more in it. And I've always been drawn to this green Serpentine bag, so I had to try it on, although it's probably not what I'm looking for at the moment. Look how beautiful the purple interior is. The leather is really nice, it's impeccably made. And this is the wallet on chain version of the Serpentine bag. And it was actually really reasonably priced, around 2,000 something Australian dollars.
Our bag is exactly the same way, like the head, the same way of making our fine jewelry.
Yeah.
It's just different material.
Someone said this is real malachite.
Yes,
That's so crazy.
we use it on the jewelry, and now you find them on the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, they use
This is cute. And we have these new cushiony pillow bags from Bulgari as well. This is the black one, very reminiscent of my Chanel 19 bag in the black. This one looks really chic with a thick strap, and the top handle chain is also very similar to the Chanel 19 as well, but this one's a lot more reasonably priced. And I found this tiny little one as well. This is like a nano bag as well, but I believe this one actually does fit a phone. Now let's head into Dior and see what evening bags they have.
but like it's like the light gold, the champagne gold color.
Yeah, so pretty. Did it come in another color by any chance? No, just this one and just this size?
Yes. The other one we have is not the leather one. It's like the satin, the silk.
Ah,
we have the
okay.
gray, we have the black.
Oh, okay. I think I've seen those ones.
Yeah.
Sure. Can I try that one? Oh gosh, I love this one. How elegant is this mini Lady Dior? This one is the perfect festive season Lady Dior with all these crystal embellishments forming the ganache pattern. I just love all of the crystals, so beautiful. And that is it on the shoulder with the shoulder strap. And then I'm trying on the 2-in-1 30 Montaigne pouch. It has a detachable shoulder chain as well as belt loop, so it comes with a belt strap as well. I don't think I'll wear this as a belt bag because it is such an elegant style. So this is another contender, and inside is really luxurious with that suede lining as well. This is their new pouch style called Dior Cara zipped pouch with chain. It is well priced at $2,700. You can really use it as an evening bag. It has 2 compartments and a zipped one in the middle as well. And look at the chain detail. I love these sort of featured links.
Yeah, 3,100. and 2,700.
That's actually a good price.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go.
This is the new bobby bag in the East-West style. It has the magnetic closure and inside is suede lined. And it's got that cute card slot.
More for the shoulder.
Oh,
Can't carry that will be
okay.
very short.
You can't change the strap. You can buy another strap, right?
You can buy the fabric strap, so something like that.
And
you
then
can do
attach it?
crossbody. But this one is more for the carry on shoulder.
And this is like really casual, right?
yeah.
Okay. New East-West bobby bag. Just gonna go into Harrods because they stock Amina Muaddi. It's pretty much the only place that has Amina Muaddi here in Sydney. So let's see what they have. They have Maison Margiela. It's like the biggest trendy brand in Korea at the moment. Oh, they have my bucket bag. Alexander McQueen one. So they did have quite a few styles of Amina Muaddi, but my size was sold out in every single style. I actually quite like these simple gold mules. Love these Gilda styles, I think they're called, for the festive season. Alright, so I did get something, but I'm not going to tell you where I got it from because I think it'll be pretty obvious what I got if I tell you which brand I went for. But I am really happy with it. So yeah, there were so many beautiful evening bags, but this one took the cake. But anyway, I'm going to be unboxing that and a couple of other items in the next week's video. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you next week.